Children, here in this video I am going to explain you the relation between current density and conductivity and electric field. According to the formula I is equal to NAEVD. Now VD can be written in terms of the electric field capital E upon M into tau. So you have got the expression I is equal to NE square A tau E upon M. Now take the condition I by A. Take A in the denominator of I. So the expression will become NE square tau E upon M. Now this will be equal to what? E upon M NE square tau. Okay. So this expression I have taken in the ratio of M. So you all know very well, yesterday I had discussed rho is equal to M upon NE square tau. So this formula I by A means current density, current per unit area, is equal to E, and this value will be equal to rho. So E by rho. So the formula of current density in terms of the resistivity E by rho, but 1 upon resistivity is equal to conductivity sigma. So J will be equal to sigma into E. J is equal to sigma into E in the vector form. So this is the relation between the current density and the conductivity and electric field. And here the relation between current density, electric field and resistivity. The second is relation between resistivity and the mobility of charge carrier. So I is equal to NAEVD. From the mobility condition, because we know that mobility is equal to VD upon E. This we have done yesterday. So U is equal to VD upon E. Substitute this value of VD, okay, in this formula. How? J is equal to I by A, and we know that J is equal to I by A is equal to sigma into E, can be written as E by rho from this condition. Okay, so E by rho is equal to I by A is equal to NEA VD. Now substitute NE mu E. Take E and this E will be cancelled out. Okay, so 1 upon rho is equal to NE mu. So rho will be equal to 1 upon NE mu. So this is a relation between the resistivity and the mobility.